So, we are here in the Beacon Park Boats boatyard, and today we're going to be looking at the work that a boat will undergo over a period of winter, where a boat will have come in the shed. It will undergo any maintenance or anything that it requires in the build-up towards the season starting and the beginning of next March, when all the boats will go back out on hire. This is our propeller, and it has a small amount of movement in it, but this being a wearing part, it's something I'll want to replace. You can see these edges should be straight and true, as our new one would be. So this is our split pin. This is something I'll need to remove. If I apply a bit of pressure with a punch, I can then remove this. So I'm now going to lock the propeller, and I'm going to do this in order to undo the nut which holds it on. To do this, one piece of wood placed underneath to secure it. This then gives me the ability to take an adjustable spanner and then undo the nut that locks the propeller on. So we're now going to assemble our new propeller, and it slots on just like that.